I'm going to do a few videos about poison ivy over the next few videos. So let's learn a little bit about poison ivy. What is it? Poison ivy is a plant that a lot of people are allergic to. Not everyone. It's estimated about 50% of the population is allergic to poison ivy. So not everyone can get the rash, believe it or not. So let's talk a little bit more about poison ivy, which is an allergic reaction. You get it when you come in contact with it. It's what we call a contact dermatitis. It must rub you. You cannot give poison ivy to someone else. It rubs on the skin and it's a sticky oil. That's exactly what it is, a sticky oil. There are ways to wash it off, and if you do that within the first 24 hours, it won't come. But you don't see it. It's clear and odorless. So if you don't wash it off, we'll talk next about what you should. We're going to talk a little bit more about poison ivy when you didn't wash it off within the first 24 hours. That oil is stuck to the skin now. It won't come off, and if you're allergic, it's going to cause the allergic reaction. That allergic reaction occurs where you scratch it, and you scratch yourself and re-inoculate yourself within the first 24 hours of exposure, not afterwards. So you're actually spreading your poison ivy even when you don't have it yet, but you don't see it. When you scratch the actual blisters, it does not spread. That's some more about the truth about poison ivy. One last bit about poison ivy. So it's spreading on the skin, we talked about that. It will last, it's sticky on the skin, it will last about 2 to 3 weeks. Then the skin sheds and the sticky oil that's on you that you're allergic to will come off and you won't have the allergic reaction. So when you treat poison ivy, the only way you can really treat it is to stop the spread for 2 or 3 weeks. Take cortisone pills or steroid pills for that amount of time. If you take it for only the 6 days or 7 days, it's not long enough. You need the full 2 to 3 weeks from your doctor, from the time of exposure, to get it to stop from coming.